about this project, and this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in it. So today we are exploring MetaHome, a decentralized blockchain organization that traces its history back to October 9, 2008. This day also marks the anniversary of Korea creating digital characters over 600 years ago. So now here is MetaHome started with about 20 early supporters who started the vision of decentralized organization. The platform support early Bitcoin ideals such as decentralization and rewarding participants based on their contribution, while creating equal opportunities for everyone regardless of resources or their location. So you can see where you can go and sign up. Here you have to give, you can do sign up. Now we have to sign in here, so now I will sign in to deposit here. For that you have to create the wallet address. It is created, you can copy that and go to your wallet and send money on it, and you can get into it. You can even withdraw that from here after doing the KYC. The coins which are given here, you can see, you can go for it. You can even hold all that. From here is a swap option is given, you can go for swap. You can even go for the referral link here, and you can share it with your family and friends. You can go for the YouTube click, and all that is given. I share with you all the details about it. Evaluate companies' value with genuine reviews and ensure trust with the authentic certification. You can join MetaHome to create a healthy and transparent digital ecosystem that builds trust between companies and users based on authentic reviews, and provides a platform where only genuine companies. So you can see the white paper project background details is given, vision and goals are given, that they have the transparent certification process, they have fair reward system, and they have also sustainable ecosystem design. You can see blockchain and technology art. You can see architecture is given, where blockchain MetaHome core technology offering transparency and fairness, necessity of blockchain and technical implementation. You can see the board details there, they're given about the immutability, review data cannot be altered once recorded, transparency and decentralization. If we see about a technical implementation, they have immutability, and they have certification process, auto reward system, and the hybrid data storage. So if we talk about the tokenomics, which is the main point of any project, meta tokens are central driver of MetaHome ecosystem, where they have the review reward, they have meta mall transaction. That in both you can see review reward, you can see meta tokens are given as reward for users review activities. Meta mall transactions have given use meta tokens to purchase certified product and services. They have also the certification fee payment, and the companies use Meta token to apply for MetaHome certification. Meta token circulation structure is given, use right reviews and you will get review token reward, use Meta tokens, you will get use Meta tokens. You can corporate revenue and you will get that too. The total Meta token supply is 210 billion token, where the ecosystem participant reward is 60%, initial sale is 20%, participants collaboration is 10%, team allocation 5, and reserve is also 5. Development roadmap is given. You can see the roadmap which tell us about the all the things about the project. You can go through it and get to know about the Q1, Q2, and up to so on. You can even contact them on their Telegram, Twitter, and I will share with you that how you can go and join them. You can easily be able to join them on their Telegram, and you can easily be able to go and join them on their social media like X. You can go and check it out here. Their videos, their reviews, their news are given. Other than that news, you can see they have also the articles are given, from where you can see there is a news about that is given. I will recommend you to go and check it here. This video is for education purpose, it is not a financial advice. So in blockchain today, you can see another article is given, you can get into it too. They have also the white paper given here, where you can get all the news. They have almost 19 pages. You can see the platform structure and all details related to it. You can even, it's all that. So if you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.